Hey YouTube, so this is the area I want to do a DIY divider. So for my base, I will be using this piece of, I don't know what it's called, a scarf. I'm going to hang that across the top, and then I'm going to just crochet some strings through the holes all the way down. So I have all kinds of strings. Hey, Libby, Libby, Libby. She's such a good dog. That's my microphone. I have this was some twine that I was gonna use for something, but it didn't work out. I have yarn. I think I'll put some gold in it. And yeah. Oh, what I will be using to hold it in place so that I can be able to move this wherever I like or change it out. I'm going to be installing these into the wall. These are really good for holding stuff up on the wall. So I'm gonna try and screw these in and see, excuse my smoke detector, and see if they hold it up. Okay, so I screwed those on the wall, and I went past the screw lines so that it can hold, because I feel like it's drywall, and drywall doesn't hold anything. But for the most part, it is up here. So I'm going to proceed to put some markings on it I'm going to put a marking on it. Put a marking on it, and I'm going to take it down and proceed to crochet. Hey, Libby, that's Libby. I believe she's a Chorky. Don't quote me on that. If you know what she is, or maybe leave a comment down below. But I'm going to proceed to crochet all the yarn in, string, yarn, etc. Okay, and I'll be back with the finished results. Okay, so I measured from the top down. Don't mind my stepping stool. I'm gonna do a DIY on that maybe one day. But anyways, I measured from the top down. So I said I wanted to crochet it, so I was gonna do like the over under loop kind of method, sort of speak, because I didn't want to do a lot of tying. Tying really makes my fingers, I don't know, weird. So I measured it, created a long loop, and then I'm gonna just pull the loop through onto that all the way across. So I'm gonna measure out all the strings. I'm gonna cut all the strings first and lay them out, and then, well, I did put one marker on this side, put the other marker on the other side, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay all the string out, design it first, and then crochet it onto the base, and then I will come back with the finished results. Okay, y'all, so for the first half of my video, I showed you the string. So I got it hung up. I got the first part hung up. Now, cutting the string was, first I was laying it on the floor, which was not a good idea. Laying on the floor, alright. So, other than that, so this is the piece. Okay, so what I did was I kind of like twisted it and braided it to give it like a nice, firm foundation. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Okay, here we go. Give it a nice, firm foundation for me to attach these strings to. So I was doing the little crochet method. I was looping it through and tying it. Just putting a knot right there, looping it through and tying it. I cut someone that I wanted to be a little bit longer. I cut it and then I just tied it up here. So now, okay, that's kind of what it look like so far. Now, I was laying on the ground at first, without looking at all my stuff. Without laying, I was laying on the ground. I was laying straight on the ground at first. So I kind of took the idea from my last video, the pom-pom. So I strung the string up this time, and I'm gonna just cut it. And then I'm gonna throw it over the top and come up with another idea, because tying it and looping it is just annoying. Those are right there, some short ones. So I had to remeasure it, and I took a chair and I took one of my I forgot dowels, and I just started going around with my spool. So I'm gonna hang these some more because it's kind of thin. I want it a lot thicker. So I'm gonna hang these two up and come back with some more results for you. Okay, you guys, welcome back. This is an update. So this is like my third day working on this, by the way. So I'm just going, you guys are going with me as well. Anyways, so I decided that I'm going to lay it down, pin it together on the table, and sew it up there. Yeah, because that way I can skip a whole lot of time. And just sew it up there, bam. Sew it up there, bam. What I can do is how many layers is it? Well, I think it's going to be like, I'm going to do like 2 more layers. But yeah, excuse my ass spot. So, now I hit y'all back with another update after I sew this down. Okay, here is the final results. Libby, you show them how the curve work. She's enjoying it. But yeah, so I took it to the sewing machine and I sewed it all down. And I put 2 more hooks because it was heavy. And ceilings. Those are ceiling hooks. I think I showed y'all them in the beginning. But yeah, after untangling it, it took me about, I'm gonna say about an hour to untangle it all. And then I just cut the bottom off. I just cut the bottom right on off. So yeah. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. DIY, I don't know, room divider with yarn. And then, as I go on, I'll probably add some more colors or something. Make it pop. Alright, bye.